In Outlook 2019, there is a way to delete emails so they cannot be restored, of course, unless someone has done a offsite backup of the emails. But if you want to keep people from being able to restore any email on your computer, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and click on the deleted items in Outlook. And we're going to click on Recover Items Recently Removed. Now, I know that sounds like the opposite of what we want, but go ahead and click on it. And then we're going to see this option here, Purge Selected Items. This will keep those items from ever coming back. So let's go ahead and highlight all of these items. We want to get rid of all of them. So let's go ahead and click OK. It says, hey, these are going to be permanently deleted. You're not going to be able to recover these items. Go ahead and click OK. And it usually takes anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how many you're going to delete. All right, now let's go ahead and click on the Recover Deleted Items again. You can click on the button here, or you can click on the link here. Either way, it doesn't matter. And look at that. Those items are no longer there, so you can no longer recover them. Now, of course, you can still recover them if you have a backup from, say, from the server level. But from the workstation level itself, these items are deleted. So if you do get an email the same day, you delete it, and then you purge it after it's deleted from the deleted items, and it never had a chance to get backed up on the server, then it'll definitely not be recoverable. So if you need to do something like that, then that would be one way to do it, where it would be unrecoverable. And this is, of course, in Outlook 2019, but this also works in Outlook 2016 as well.